We sell thermal imagers for lots of applications, mainly hunting, wildlife management, research, but we also have a huge market for the marine market, and this is particular for search and rescue, inshore lifeboat, and also for marine navigation purposes. So I've came here down to Kitford with my two dogs, and we've just been doing some filming on the beach and filming some birds and also some deer on the far side. And I've been using the new HikMicro Gryphon GQ50L. This is the latest thermal from HikMicro, which has a 640 by 512 12 micron thermal sensor, delivering up to 2,600 meters detection, and it's actually really good. 50mm focal length lens, so better magnification than the previous one, and it's also got the built-in laser rangefinder. One thing that's immediately obvious with the new Gryphon Pro is the quality of the sensor. It's a 640 by 512 12 micron sensor with an HD display, and it really does supply impressive detail. The HikMicro Pro has a progressive zoom, so you turn a wheel and it zooms in instead of using incremental steps. It really does work well. It's got different colour palettes as well as an optical channel which works like a normal optical camera. It also has a fusion overlay system, which I'm not 100% sure is needed in a thermal imager. I can see how it would work for police or for security wanting to have more detail, such as, you know, a number plate of a car. But with wildlife and things, yeah, okay, it maybe boosts the quality of the image a little bit by overlaying a daytime image, but you can also use an infrared illuminator and use it as a night vision camera, which could have some applications. Different colour palettes allow you to pick out animals on cover. You can see Poppy rocking around on the beach here. Switching to the optical channel and then again to the fusion. Quite close there, so the fusion is not overlaying perfectly. I just filmed around the marina and the docks here. This was about 600 metres away, just to see the detail you get with it. So you'll see some footage where we pan through and then look at some birds. We're picking up birds on the coast here, as well as some deer in the woods. One thing to remember is the image you see through the camera isn't anything like the quality you see through the eyepiece, because you're looking through a much smaller eyepiece. Thermal imaging has huge benefits, particularly when hunting and for finding wildlife. I was just panning around here in our back field. My friend was walking down the road with my dog, and I noticed through the thermal camera there was a tree that was full of birds. Now, with the visible eye, I couldn't see them. You'll see the tree here or the bush. There's loads of birds in here. The optical channel doesn't show anything. As soon as you switch to thermal, you'll see all the birds in the tree. You switch between white hot and black hot, and then obviously you can progressively zoom in as well if you wanted some more detail. These are really small birds, so they're a really small heat signature coming from them, but it just shows you the performance of a thermal imager. So this is it, the Gryphon Pro GQ50L, and it's available now from Scott Country International. Poppy likes it.